present here. We are all gathered here today to fill every one of us with oodles of power, self-confidence, and of course, winning sport. I am Rahna. I am Karisha. On behalf of Oxford Public Senior Secondary School, we are glad to be your host today. Let's welcome everyone. Let me call upon Ashwadik from grade 8 to deliver a welcome address. Good morning, all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you all on this auspicious occasion of Philippines Day. Today we gather to celebrate not only the birth of our nation, but also the spirit of unity, courage, and resilience that our forefathers demonstrated to give us this precious freedom. First and foremost, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our honorable chief guest, Dr. I. Arun Sir, M.Tech Engineer, PhD, Executive Engineer, Tiruvali Operations Center. Welcome you, sir. Next, I am very glad to welcome our legal advisor, sir, Secretary ma'am, and Director ma'am, whose leadership and vision continue to inspire and guide us. Welcome you, sir. Welcome you, ma'am. I would also like to extend a heartfelt welcome to our senior principal ma'am, and teachers, without whom our journey of learning and growth would be incomplete. And to our esteemed guests, thank you for gracing this occasion with your presence. I encourage everyone to participate actively and make this program even more vibrant and memorable. Last but not least, to all my fellow students, let's give ourselves a pat on the back for being part of this wonderful celebration. We have an exciting lineup of events for today. Our talented students and teachers have put in a lot of effort to bring together cultural performances, speeches, and activities that highlight our nation's rich heritage and the values we hold dear. I encourage everyone to participate actively and make this program even more vibrant and memorable. Once again, we are very happy Independence Day to each and every one of you. Let's celebrate the day with joy, respect, and renew the commitment to the values that make our nation great. Thank you and enjoy it. Thank you, my friend. Now I request Ms. Pooja ma'am to introduce our chief guest.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride that we introduce our esteemed chief guest for this Independence Day celebration, Dr. I. Arun, BE, MBA, PhD, and Executive Engineer, TNEB, Ankudi Substation. Dr. Arun is a distinguished scholar and a dedicated public servant holding advanced degrees including a PhD, and has contributed immensely to the energy sector in Tamil Nadu. With a career marked by innovation and integrity, Dr. Arun has played a pivotal role in numerous infrastructure projects, including installation of 33 by 11 kV substation at Tenkasi. His relentless efforts in securing and developing this project demonstrate his commitment to improving the state energy infrastructure. Dr. Arun's contribution extends beyond technical achievements. He has been honored with several prestigious awards such as APJ Abdul Kalam Award for Scientific Excellence, the Vinod Jury Award, TNEB Jubilee 2007 Award, and Great Achiever of India Award. These accolades recognize not only his technical expertise but also his dedication to public service and environmental awareness. His leadership and vision have been instrumental in promoting sustainable practices and raising awareness about global warming and environmental protection through various educational initiatives. We are indeed fortunate to have such an accomplished and visionary leader with us. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Arun as our chief guest for this momentous occasion. Welcome you, sir.
இந்தியன் என்று சொல்வோம், அந்த சொல்லில் பெருமிதம் கொள்வோம். தீங்கற்ற தேசம் படைக்க நம் கைகளை இணைத்துக் கொள்வோம். சொல்வோம், அந்த சொல் பெருமிதம் கொள்வோம். தீங்கற்ற தேசம் படைக்க நம் கைகளை இணைத்துக் கொள்வோம். இந்தியன் என்று சொல்வோம், அந்த சொல் பெருமிதம் கொள்வோம். வீரர்களே நம் வீரங்கள் வாராகினும் நம்மில் வேற்றுமை இல்லையே எங்கள் பாரதம் இது எங்கள் பாரதம் எங்கள் பாரதம் இது எங்கள் பாரதம் எங்கள் பாரதம் இது 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 எங்கள் பாரதம் சமாதானம் பிறக்கணும் ஜாதி வேற்றுமை இல்லாமல் நாம் ஒன்றாய் வாழணும் இளைஞர் சமுதாயம் இன்றே எழுந்து நீதியை நாட்டும் இளைஞர் சமுதாயம் இன்றே எழுந்து நீதியை நாட்டும் நம் தேசத்தை உயர்த்தணும் எங்கள் பாரதம் இது எங்கள் பாரதம் எங்கள் பாரதம் இது எங்கள் பாரதம் எங்கள் பாரதம் இது 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 எங்கள் பாரதம்
Thank you guys for a wonderful performance.